What's going on, people of YouTube, and of course the DGL? This is us still recording on the 9th. Felt like we're going something funny with my little puppy there, Cinnamon. Squeaky chicken. You want chicken? Oh sure, now when I bust out the recording system. Oh sure. Jeez, yeah, I'm vicious. My puppy, Cinnamon! Look at what into his soul. Look at what into his soul. Is that good, puppy? Hey! Nice one, bite my chicken! Nice one, bite my arm! Right? Yeah, so you guys know you're super close to my face. But there's something random I wanted to post. Yum. Holy Jesus! But yeah, something random I wanted to post. Jesus. But yeah, I might post this in the Discord server today on the 9th, which is my little brother's birthday. Hey, can't show that part. Can't show that. Listen to that part. But yeah. So bye. Oh yes. But yeah, hope you do enjoy. Later, people. And pass out.